Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok on your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and log into your TikTok. After that, click on this button right here which is on the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on Settings. After that, under Manage Account, you'll find Account Control, and under it you'll find Delete Account. To delete your TikTok account, all you gotta do is click on this button right here and your account will be deleted. It's easy and simple. And that's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.